Welcome to explore how to make money with non-fungible tokens, NFTs.
Proven tips for selling your NFTs. If you just mint your NFTs and list them on OpenSea, then you will generate some interest in your digital assets. But we recommend that you do a lot more than this and promote your NFTs more aggressively so that you can make sales faster. In this video, we will provide you with some proven techniques for effectively promoting your NFTs. 1. Why is your NFT unique? You will generate more interest for your NFT if you can explain to your audience what makes it so special and unique. By their very nature, NFTs are unique, but you will get better results if you help the collector understand what makes your NFT stand out from the crowd. There's a lot of debate going on at the moment about whether it is a good idea to invest in NFTs or not. If your NFT does not appear to provide anything special, then it is going to be much more difficult to sell it. NFTs that are really special will always be perceived as being the most valuable. So, get your creative juices flowing to describe your NFTs. 2. Use Twitter to promote NFTs. Instagram would seem to be the natural place to promote your NFTs, and this is fine if you have more than 10,000 followers on the platform. Only then can you insert a link to your NFTs in your Instagram posts. With Twitter, you can post a link to your NFTs in every tweet that you create. Your job is to grab the attention of collectors and let them know about your NFT auctions. Okay, you could create your own website with all of your NFT auction links on it and add an external link in your Instagram bio, but this is unlikely to be as effective as direct linking in tweets. One of the benefits of using Twitter is that you are able to share a number of images at the same time. By combining compelling text with your images, you can create the right impact with a series of tweets. Many artists now use Twitter to showcase their NFT offerings. 3. Use other social media platforms. We are not suggesting that you should never use Instagram for showcasing your NFTs. It is recommended that you use this platform as it is well known for being a visual medium. The same goes for Pinterest. Facebook is another social media platform that you can use for promoting your NFTs. In fact, anywhere where you have a following, however small, can be utilized for promoting your NFTs. Always remember that you can grow your following on these platforms in the future. 4. Use the correct hashtags. Whenever you are posting about your NFT items on social media, you need to ensure that you use the correct hashtags. Bear in mind that there are millions of posts on social media happening at the same time. A lot of social media users will use hashtags to find what they are looking for. There are collectors, investors, and other artists on social media platforms that are looking for good NFTs. We researched the most commonly used hashtags on social media for NFTs and found these to be hashtag NFT, hashtag NFT art, hashtag NFTs, hashtag NFT artist, hashtag NFT photography, hashtag NFT community, hashtag NFT collector, hashtag NFT animation, hashtag NFT video, hashtag crypto art, hashtag crypto artist, hashtag digital art. We recommend that you use these hashtags in your profiles and posts on the various social media platforms. 5. Use Discord forums. If you are unfamiliar with Discord, it is a social platform where users can create their own chat rooms for different purposes. A lot of NFT creators and collectors are now using the Discord platform, and it is something that you definitely want to check out. There are other good features on Discord apart from the creation of chat rooms and chatting. You can store and share images and documents, for example. A lot of crypto galleries have their own chat rooms on Discord, and you can join these so that you can showcase your NFTs. For some of the Discord groups, you will need an invite from other users to join them. You will even find rooms on Discord where some major collectors hang out. Some of these are legendary in the world of crypto art. If you can get an invite to these collector groups, then you will be considered as an elite NFT artist. 6. Apply to NFT Hunters. NFT Hunters send out a list of the top NFTs to many subscribers via email or using the Telegram Messenger. They actively seek out NFT artists that have the highest quality tokens available so that they can include them in their weekly newsletter. Sometimes NFT Hunters will send out a breaking news message to their subscribers about a sudden NFT trend in the market. It is in your interest to pitch your NFT collections to the NFT Hunters team. You can do this by sending them an email. The potential for making sales of your NFTs is enormous if you get the attention of NFT Hunters. 7. Promote your NFTs on Reddit. You have probably already heard of Reddit. It is a series of different communities where users can vote for content that they like. If a post on Reddit attains a lot of votes, it ranks higher on the platform. More Reddit users will see a post that has a high number of votes. There are subreddits devoted to crypto art. You can use these as well as other artist community threads to showcase your NFTs. The largest subreddit for crypto art has almost 8 million users. That is a very large audience that you cannot ignore. 8. Share your story. A lot of NFT creators have experienced a high level of success by sharing their backstory and not just their tokens. You have the opportunity to do this on social platforms as well as others. Here, you can tell the story of why you created a particular NFT, for example. A lot of collectors are very interested in knowing the backstory behind different NFTs. 9. List your NFTs on the right marketplace. In the last video, we discussed the different marketplaces that are available for the creation and listing of NFTs. It is vital that you choose the right marketplace to showcase your NFTs. If all of your NFTs are going to be high-quality digital art, then OpenSea may not be the best marketplace to use. While OpenSea certainly has the most visitors of all the NFT marketplaces, around 39 million a month at the moment, it is a self-service platform where virtually anything goes. You may find that the collectors that you want to connect with are hanging out on Rarible, for example. You need to do your homework here. Find out what kind of people use the leading NFT marketplaces before you decide where to list your tokens. Don't just rely on the visitor volume of the marketplace alone. If your NFTs appeal to a certain audience, then you need to use the marketplace where these people hang out. 10. Use the Clubhouse platform. Clubhouse is a fairly new audio-only social platform that is growing in popularity at an alarming rate. With Clubhouse, users can create specific rooms to discuss different topics. People interested in crypto art are already using the platform to discuss the various NFTs available and more. You can join these Clubhouse rooms and request to be a speaker. Use your authority in the NFT world to gain a following on the platform. People like to follow experts, and it will be reasonably easy for you to establish yourself as an NFT expert on Clubhouse. Another great feature of Clubhouse is the clubs. These are communities based around certain niches. There are already clubs that are dedicated to the world of NFTs. You cannot join these communities right away usually. First, be an active listener, and then someone will invite you to join. 11. Get started immediately. There has never been a better time to start creating and selling NFTs than right now. Take advantage of the buzz surrounding NFTs, as this is a golden opportunity for you to promote your tokens. If you want to make serious money from your NFTs, then you need to get started immediately. Nobody knows if the interest in NFTs will drop off sharply in the near future or whether it is here to stay. One thing is for sure, NFTs are hot right now, and the interest in the NFT marketplace has increased dramatically over the last year. This growth is continuing every day. Don't be left behind. There are thousands of people joining the NFT market every day. By getting involved now, you have a better chance of establishing yourself quickly in the market before it becomes oversaturated. NFTs are relatively new and the interest is very high at the moment. Make sure that you take full advantage of this. In the next video, we will discuss the NFT mistakes that you must avoid.
Like this video and share. Subscribe this channel for more videos update. View these two videos to enlighten your learning.